Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Tesla update. We've had some requests to do a Tesla update. Right now it's in no man's land. Okay? Yeah, the rotation zone overhead right here. And we have a significant level right at 326. And we have another one at right about 310. So we're watching for a close above. At this point, I want it above the rotation zone, 327.50 area. And then we'd be looking for the gap fills. First gap fill, 335.57. And these are long targets. Next gap fill, 347.83 area. And then we'd be watching for a return to our other significant level, 359.95, essentially 360. That's for the bullish case, but it would need a close above 327.50. Now, if we also get a close below 310, that's the bearish case. Then we'd be watching for a return to about 287 significant level. Then the next significant level, if we get a close below that, we will get about mid 275, and that is a very major level. Let me switch to some longer term charts. So here's a 3-year chart. You can see also everything's flat and wavy, which means, and you can see we're just in a huge consolidation phase. And you can see the bigger picture on these levels. This 275 level is very, very key based off a weekly time frame. If we do get below that, you have the 200-week simple moving average coming in about 261 right now with a long-term trend line. So that is going to be very key support that would have to close below. And if we did get a close below that, then that triggers our really bearish case with our next target would be all the way down below 200. Let's even check in on the monthly chart. It's really helpful to use these time frames. So again, you can see the big consolidation. So essentially it's been in this range since April of 17 is when it broke into this range. It dipped out briefly, in that pretty big sell-off this March and April, and then snapped back in this range. But essentially it's gone really nowhere, in terms of a big consolidation or congestion. It stayed in this channel besides this very brief excursion. And you can also see this 275 level, okay, on the monthly time frame. That is also lines up with very key support, prior key resistance becoming support. So that is going to be very key if we do get a close below that also. And remember that 200 I talked about on the weekly coming in with the trend line. We also have just below there the 50-month exponential coming in with the trend line also. So that's going to be a very key area to watch should we sell off. Other than that, not much going on with Tesla right now. Earnings on Halloween, which is sort of funny. So that's going to be the next major, unless some other news. Now, we know I wanted to wait till Monday to put this out because I wanted to see how it was. Tesla said, okay, we're not going private anymore. We're not going to pursue that anymore. We're just going to stay public. Pretty much the market shrugged it off. They shrugged off his funding secured for 20 tweet, which ran this up. Then it sold off, and now today you just see we had a little volatility, but it pretty much is in the same range, right in the middle between two significant levels. That's why we're waiting to figure out what to do until it gets out of this range. Below it would be bearish, above it would be bullish. Other than that, we're sitting on our hands. So we have for you on a quick Tesla update, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.